Organised by the largest youth organisation in Ireland, the Foróige Citizenship Programme encourages teens to learn more about their local area and engage in a community project. Every year they hold an awards ceremony to recognise the efforts of teens in their communities.
The Youth Citizenship Programme is a programme that Foróige have been operating, and we're now in partnership with Permanent TSB. It's about involving young people in identifying needs in their own community and then actually going into action to actually address those needs.
Among those in Dublin today to celebrate the work of young people was EastEnders star Gary Lucy.
It's just a fantastic opportunity really for them to kind of, have something to focus on and something to achieve really at an important time.
More than 12,000 young people were involved in the programme this year. Of those, 10 groups were chosen as finalists for the awards. Those finalists were involved in an impressive range of projects.
We decided to focus on farm safety for children. So once we decided children, we said we need to go to our local primary school. So in the local primary school, we done workshops with them on how to keep safe in the farm using bookmarks and interactive games that we had developed. And after our visits to the school, we decided the parents needed to know what we had taught the children. So we held an evening for them to come down and had bookmarks for them to bring home.
Yeah, we done our community centre. We done garden on the side of it. It was just green, it wasn't the nicest. We done a century garden for a young boy with meningitis for the Make-A-Wish Foundation, and we're doing an elderly man's garden at the moment. We're still doing it.
We went around Ratoath and we surveyed the community, and a big issue people wanted to deal with was mental health and how to get help if you're struggling with mental health. So basically the app is it has a load of contacts, a load of people to turn to if you're struggling with mental health.
These are all the different contacts. We have it into national, Meath and online. So Meath services, we have North East Doc, HSE, Jigsaw, Foróige, Mental Health Ireland and SOSAD. And then we also have the national services.
The overall winners of the Youth Citizenship Awards will be announced this weekend.